Hey there, so I'm Jana Williams, a wedding and lifestyle photographer based here in Southern California. And in today's video, what I want to talk about is my business workflow. So this has come like super highly requested, and I'm really excited that we are going to dive in and show you an awesome video. So what I wanted to go over is my business workflow. And what really helps me to stay organized is to keep my timelines, contracts, collection list, all of those things in one place. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that one of my biggest priorities is customer service. And then I really like for my clients, like the whole experience with them to feel seamless. And a platform that really helps me do that is HoneyBook. So I figured the best way to do this is for me to just sort of take you inside of my HoneyBook and show you everything I use it for. And it's also will like really help you to get started with HoneyBook. So let's go.
So this is your dashboard. This is where you can oversee all of your current projects, what's coming up on your calendar, tasks that need to be completed, reports, and payment updates. It's super convenient and easy to use, which is super important to me. Let me start off by showing you one of my favorite parts of HoneyBook. So we're going to go into projects. And I love this because you can see all of your current projects, what stage they're in corresponding to this pipeline at the top. So this pipeline shows you what stage you're in with your clients and current gigs. So what's really nice about this is that you can customize it to how your business operates. I just like that I can see exactly where all of my projects are, and it makes it like really easy to follow up and stay on top of everything. So let me just click on this. This is a lifestyle project, and I made this one for just the demo purpose for this video. So this is what a project looks like inside. You'll see here is where I emailed Zena with my rates attached. So any communication between Zena and I will show up here. So things like emails, signed contracts, payment notifications, and any documents shared. So it's just really nice to have everything in this one space. And this is what I meant when I said that everything just feels like seamless. It just flows, and it makes for like a really awesome customer service experience for your clients, between like your clients and your business. The best part is that everything is customizable, and I love this. And so, nothing says HoneyBook on it anywhere. So let me show you my templates, brochures, and just all the fun stuff. So I know a lot of businesses are concerned to use other platforms for their businesses simply because of branding. And hey, I totally get that. So I'm in the same boat. So let me show you my brochures really quickly. So here we are. I have two different brochures. One is for my own services, and the other is for my associate photographer program. So my service brochure looks like this. You can write an intro, place images, and customize it with your brand. So for example, instead of this photo of me, you could choose a different layout, or maybe put your logo there if that's your thing. So let's scroll down a little bit. And here is where you can put more information. You can change your photos. You can set your prices. And I love this because it's interactive. So when someone reaches out for an inquiry, they explain to me like exactly what they're looking for. And if I'm available, I'll send over this brochure. So the next step would be the proposal you send over to them. And this is a feature I really like, and let me show you why. So let's just use my Associate Photographer Collection 1 proposal as an example, and that this was the package a client wanted to go with. So you'll see here it shows everything included in the collection with total. And then when you keep scrolling, you can see that there's a payment schedule. So I ask for half the payment as a retainer to secure the date, and then the balance is due 2 weeks before the event that I'm photographing. But you can totally add more, subtract, and put in due dates for each payment. And I love this because you yourself don't have to remind the client about payment. HoneyBook sends them a sweet little reminder, which you can personalize as well. And then, if we keep scrolling, you'll see that I have incorporated my own contract in HoneyBooks. But I love that HoneyBook automatically inputs all the information from the collection that they chose. So it's like an itemized receipt that you and your clients can clearly see what they're paying for. So you can send all this over in one go. And I just really like how this workflow feels, and it gets everything done at once. Okay, so the really fun part to HoneyBooks is the opportunities that are in it. So if you click right here, I'll take you to the newsfeed of other photographers, brands, and people looking to collaborate and pay you, which is awesome. So there are tons of other photographers looking for second shooters or looking to pass on gigs. So basically a community of photographers looking for referrals and giving them. This is awesome. I love it.
So that was cool. I hope that you gained a little bit of insight about what HoneyBook could do for your business. And if you're interested, there's a link in the description. So use that link to sign up. They also have a free trial, which is amazing. So I think you should do this. It's a really good thing. It's helped me a ton. So thanks for watching, and until next time, stay inspired. Bye.